Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize rollovers from an old 401k, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the rollover process, first gather key information about your current 401k plan. Locate your account statements and contact details for your 401k plan administrator. Next, determine where you want to roll over your funds. You can choose an individual retirement account, or IRA, or another employer-sponsored plan. Contact the financial institution you've selected for your new account. Inquire about their specific requirements for accepting a rollover. Fill out the necessary forms provided by your new financial institution. Make sure to specify that you are rolling over funds from a 401k. After completing the forms, request a direct rollover to avoid potential tax penalties. Contact your old 401k plan administrator to initiate the rollover. They may require you to fill out additional forms for processing. Verify the timeline for the rollover to ensure a smooth transfer. Keep an eye on your old account to confirm the funds are withdrawn. Monitor the new account to confirm the funds have been credited. It's wise to follow up with both institutions to address any issues that may arise. Once the rollover is complete, review your new account's investment options. Lastly, take time to familiarize yourself with the new account features and benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.